Hello everyone, I welcome you all to D2R Design Academy. Today we'll be discussing about the internship opportunity at IIT Indore. So in this video we'll be discussing about the application procedure, the last date to apply and how you should fill your application form. So like this I will be bringing out latest videos on internship opportunities, job notifications in both government and private sector. If you like my video, click on the like button and comment down how did you apply your application form, and subscribe to my channel to receive such latest notifications and updates. Now moving forward, we'll know about what is the internship application about. So this is an online internship. The departments are the students from both CSE, civil, mechanical, electrical can apply. It means that all the students from engineering stream can apply to it. The educational qualification is candidate should be pursuing his bachelor's program. That is, the candidate should be either in the first year, second year, third year or fourth year of their engineering program. It means that the candidates from first year, so the Department of Chemistry, Physics and Mathematics are also providing internship opportunities. The application fees is rupees 2000 per month, and the duration of internship is varying from 1 month to 1 year. So it can be decided on the mutual consent of the student as well as the mentor. So if you are doing internship for 1 month, the application fees is 2000. If you are going to do for 2 months, the application fees will be 4000. So you can go through the details. Now next is the selection procedure. First, the student needs to approach the faculty member on which stream he is interested to apply. For example, if anyone is interested in Department of Physics, he has to approach the guide and then he has to take his approval. So all those details we'll discuss in further, how you should approach the guide. Now after the approval of the guide or faculty member, the student can submit his application form and then pays the fee. Without the approval of faculty, he should not pay the fees and should not submit his application form. First, application approval of faculty is compulsory. Now next, about the certification. The candidate will be provided e-certificates on successful completion of his online internship and submission of report through faculty. So his report should be approved by the faculty, only then he will be receiving his e-certificate. So is it clear? Now next we will moving forward to the official IIT website, where I will provide more details. Yeah, it's the official website iiti.ac.in. As you can see, it ranks 3rd in India in the World University ranking, and it ranked 55th position in the engineering institutes in all over India. So is it clear? Now moving forward to the application web page. All these links will be provided in the description. You can check them out. So I have already discussed with you the faculty member approval is important. The duration is 1 month. Fees, deadline is finished. You can apply at any duration of this year. So in the complete year you can apply at any time as per your convenience. Selection I have already discussed with you. Certificates already completed. So now how you should contact the faculty. So while contacting the faculty, so now you have reached this page. So here where they are providing online internship. So here the department pages are given. So Department of Astronomy, Department of Biosciences, Department of Chemistry, next Department of Civil Engineering, next Department of Computer Science, Department of Electrical Engineering, Department of Humanities and Social Sciences. Next we have Department of Mathematics, Department of Mechanical, Department of Metallurgical Engineering. Next we have Department of Physics. Next, that's the last one. So these are all the departments. I guess all the engineering departments are covered in this, right? Now how you should contact the guide and how you should approach them. See, for example, I am going to take the example of civil engineering. Here you see these are the guides. So Dr. Saurabh Sil, Dr. Guru Prakash and Dr. Nilima Satya. So here these are the different topics that guide is going to deal with. For example, Dr. Saurabh is going to perform his internships in this performance based geometric design of highways, effects of roadways and pedestrian safety evaluation. So if any student is interested to pursue his internship in these three programs, he has to contact Dr. Saurabh. Next, if any student is interested in this damage detection, prognosis, degradation modeling, structural health monitoring, he has to contact Dr. Guru Prakash. How you should contact? When you click over here, you will reach a new page where you will be redirected to Dr. Guru Prakash web page, right? In the same way, Dr. Saurabh Sil web page. Here, Dr. Saurabh Sil web page. Here you can see that his details are provided, his mobile number and email address. So the student should send his application interest, not form, his interest that he wants to do his internship under your guidance on the following topic. Next, after this, at this email address gaurabsil@iati.ac.in. After this, if you receive the approval from the guide, then you can submit your application. Okay, you are here, right? So this is the email address where you have to send your request to perform internship, right? In the same way, you can find all those details of other faculties here, or how to reach them out. It will be provided here. Contact Dr. Sheikh M. Mobeen. How you should contact, his email address is given and his mobile contact number is also given. You can contact him from there. So you have to first contact the faculty member. Is it clear? Right. So this is what about first contacting guide, next getting approval from them, next filling out your application form. How you should fill application form? Here you can see this is your application form. These are the details which you need to fill up: name, school, degree what you are pursuing, current semester, your college address with name, and your contact address where you are residing presently, date of birth and all this. Next, faculty mentor name. This is to be important. These two things are from here, few things are most important. Faculty mentor name, under whose guidance you are going to do the internship. As I have shown you, the following guides were there. You have to first select the guide. Next, area of online internship, in which field you are going to do the internship, right? Next, internship duration, how many months you are doing, either you are doing for 1 month, 2 months or 5 months or 1 year. What is the duration you are going to do it? Next, registration fees, how much you have paid the fees. For example, 2 months it will be 4,000, right? 1 month 2,000. Next, payment details, how you have payment the details, like if you have made the online transaction, its code will be there, transaction ID. You have to paste it over here online with details. You have to attach this following documents to them: passport size, college ID card, next online payment fee receipt, mentor document, and you have to send them to the following email address: dorgoffice@iati.ac.in. After this, you can start your online internship. So I guess, is it clear? So here student, the important thing is getting approval from the faculty. If you get approval from the faculty, then your internship will almost be started. Okay, so this is what I wanted to discuss with you about the online internship program at IIT Indore. So if you have got any more questions, you know how to reach me out. Comment down below whatever your doubt is, and let me know if you have applied to the internship or not. I will reach out to you if you have any doubts or if you have any questions in the comment section, or else in the description there is a link provided to a Telegram channel. You can join the link and you will get the update as well from there. Till then, thank you, stay strong, stay safe.